What's up, and thank you for choosing Web Pro. My name is Chris, and today I'll be showing you how to update your Google Chrome browser. If you want to update your Google Chrome browser, just launch the browser. After you launch the browser, go to the top right corner, the menu, and select About Google Chrome. And when you select that, you'll see Google Chrome checking for updates. And if it checks for updates and finds your Chrome is up to date, it will not download. But if your Google Chrome browser is not up to date, there'll be a button here that asks you to update Google Chrome. So that's what we'll click on. Make sure you have internet connection, so that Google can be able to update and download updates for your Chrome browser. So that's how you can update your Google Chrome browser, although Google Chrome usually downloads updates in the background as you're using the browser. So that's how you can update Google Chrome browser. Thank you for watching. You can ask any questions in the comment box below this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.